from me since then. Think I get that type of paper to live every day like weekend. The DA ain't got no evidence, we beat it at the prelim. I ain't tryna fuck, I'm just tryna get my dick sucked. When I'm out of town, we turn B&B's to strip club. If I can't bring my pistol in, promoter bet not book me. Put a switch up on the Glock, they think I gave my gun a whip. Pull up in some fast, they gon' smoke the boot. Can somebody telling me they say I'm rich, can't have
It's real game day, man. Real shit. All right, shit.
You know how we coming.
Yes, sir, Steve.
You know, you see 6?
Yes, sir.
We going home, baby.
Yes, sir. Man, scoot up for Brody ass. He's 6'3,000" in this bitch.
The rest of us, bro.
Mr. D1 and this.
Stay tuned.
James, what's the score, man? What we predicting, man? Okay, I like it. See, your score prediction. Hey, what's that in your hand though? What they give you?
See the game ball. I'm with the game ball right now, man.
You know, we blessing it. You know, so there's a whole lot of orange going on here, man.
What the hell, boy?
Look at that. That's what we doing? That's what we doing? That's what we doing?
Coach Zoe.
Got my boy Coach Zoe setting up. It's gonna be a good one tonight, man. Got Rockford, Division 1, QB1. What's up, my guy?
Get it, man.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yes, sir.
Y'all done made it in.
Yes, sir. My boys in here locked in. Before the storm. My boy LJ in his bed. AJ. D Money in his bed. Type shit. Young GOAT right here, man.
The bitch say she want my dick, so I made her walk to it. Well, the K hit him across his face, and I look like top. Me and my top got a relationship sometimes.
Dog. Yeah.
Come on now, man. Real game day. This is a real, hey, you're a real game changer for real.
Second 9. You understand that? We cannot get second 13, second 15. Illegal procedure calls. Go backwards. Everything has to end going forward. You have to block. You have to fight, claw, scratch, whatever it is to get those positive yards. It only takes one. That's the way real football is played. Things in real football don't always just go your way 50 to nothing. You understand that? Sure.
Hey, we turned, what?
Get back a motherfucker.
Come on, boys. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See you sick. Yeah, man, we back. Show love.
I missed it, bro. My atmosphere is different.
Man, I swear, different. Look at my boys. Wow, look at my boys. Oh man, we got the cheerleaders there. Turn me up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. What you say you doing?
They don't even offer to come out at halftime. You know, my shit pads over there.
Got us one. Come on, man. What's up, boy? Straight? Okay. Yes, sir. My goal. That's my boy. We're finna let him loose tonight. Finna let him loose tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir! Turn me up!
You know, this is real football weather. Like, we used to this. Like, we used to play in the snow. Like,
Oh no, we got greens on, yes. Hey, your shoes untied, your shoes untied.
kick off.
It's only a second
Come on,
year
Six.
playing.
Keep dropping. Yes, sir.
Catch the ball. Did you get upfield?
There we go.
Hold the ball.
Thank you. Hell yeah, he. Yeah, he. Yeah, he. Come on, man. Yeah, he. What I say, boy? What I say, boy? Yeah.
Come on, offense. Go, D. Hit him. Oh, yeah.
Sir. What I say, boy? What I say, boy? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Come on!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They ain't like that. They don't like that.
I did this to Mariah. Look, I'm on fire. When I bought that Rolls Royce, they thought it was leased. Then I bought that new Ferrari. Hey, the rest of y'all thought I was finished. When I bought that Aston Martin, y'all thought it was ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me get him! Oh, no!
Nose.
Try!
Cuarto.
Cinco!
Six. Oh my God, he going stupid. He going stupid.
Big red double game! It's gotta be ready! Ready! Ball ain't ready! But that shit was ready!
Let's go, man. Let's go.
You know what? They had a big chance last week. That guy got that, so let's put that ass on 1 3.
Defense up first.
1, 2, 3, hit down!
Quarterback. Yeah. 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 Hey, that's the start, bro. Hey, turn up, bro. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. That's it, bro. That's it. Lock that bitch one time. Lock that bitch one time. That's it right there, baby. Come on. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Ricardo. Get off them blocks, man.
Again.
Get off them blocks. Come on.
Come on, keep it.
See you, boy. Water. Hey, pass that. Pass! There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Keep on my pass! Come back. Get on it. Pick it up. Good shit. Let's go. Here we go.
Bitch. Oh my God. We got 30 seconds, bro. 30 seconds. Them boys fighting, bro.
Man, 30 seconds, man. Shit ain't over when you a big red. Shit ain't over.
Yeah, hey over there.
I'm like,
Hey over there.
that's the way to fight.
Boys fighting, man. Damn. Dog. Come on, y'all. It's a good fight, though, man. It's a good fight, y'all. It's a good fight, y'all.
Thank you all for coming out tonight.
It's a good fight. My boys couldn't get the dub, man. But them boys put up a fight. Best believe you gonna see us at Detroit. I believe in my young boys. They battle tested though. I can say that.
Boys battle tested.
Hey, for more of these videos, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.
What are you gonna tell us?
You are 15.
My usual.
I know y'all ain't little big, bro.
Man, this nigga, bro, what the fuck?
Big bro, I swear to God.
Come on, where my flowers at?